Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2002 EC. The question is, if the impulse response of the discrete time system is h of n is equal to minus phi u of minus n minus 1, the system function is equal to dash and whether it is stable or unstable. So they have given h of n. H of n is impulse response, that is u of minus n minus 1. Right, so from impulse response, if I want system function h of z, what I need to do, I have to take z transform. So what is the z transform of this one? So we know the z transform of an minus un minus 1 is equal to this is the transform of minus an, that is z by z minus a with mod z is less than mod a. Here what we have, minus pi power n u of minus n minus 1. For that the transform is z by z minus 5 mod z is less than 5. So what is the z transform? Z by z minus 5. So this is wrong, this is wrong. What about the things? Remaining thing is we are having only this z by z minus 5, whether the system is stable or unstable. That's what we have to find. See the ROC. ROC is inside 5. So we have unit circle. This is unit circle. The pole at 5 is 1. So ROC means this is less than 5 means inside the, so this is a big circle. ROC is less than 5, so it is inside. So what does it mean? The ROC includes unit circle. Therefore, if ROC includes unit circle, the system is stable. So the answer is z by z minus 5 and the stable system. So the answer B is option B is the right answer. Thank you.